Okay, guys, we're going to do some division and multiplication just real fast where you can see what it looks like. Here's your number. What's that number? 222. So we have what in the tens place? Yeah, tricked ya. We have 20 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place, and what in the hundreds place? Good, 200. Okay, so what does division mean? No, Adrian, those are not eyeballs. Okay, so let's build our number first. How many of these do I need? Why? Because they're equal to 10. Okay, so if I'm going to break this apart, and I'm going to put these into what groups? Equal groups. Can I put both of these here? No, I have to put it where? Okay. This. Okay, so what is my answer? Is my answer going to be this? Or is it going to be this? Or is it going to be part of this? No, it's going to be what? One of these groups. And how many is in one of these groups? Awesome. Okay, so let's go and let's do some multiplication. If I give you okay, so what is 3 times 4? You all know what 3 times 4 is. Okay, but what does that look like? If you were having to explain to a 4th grader that is down the hall and you're telling them this is some big bad 5th grade thing that you have to do and that you're going to have to model this for me and that you're going to have to use, what if you didn't know how to write? How would you do multiplication? Okay, so I put it into groups. Do I put it into groups like I did for division? No, because what does multiplication mean? You're getting more. You're multiplying, whereas division asks you to what? It asks you to separate and condense. Good. Okay, so how many groups do we have? Okay, so you want to do 3? Okay, and what goes in those? The tens or the ones? Okay, so why did the ones go in there? Because of the place value. Okay. And how many go in there? Good. So if we have, tell me what this sounds like. Like if you were explaining this to someone, don't use the numbers. You can't say 3 times 4 because of what if a 4th grader that you're helping doesn't know what that means? So tell them how would you explain multiplication to them? Okay? 3 groups of what? Good, of 4. So you have 3 groups of 4 ones. Okay? So then what's the answer? How do you tell them, how do you explain that the answer is 12? Exactly. How many do you have? Good, so 3 times 4 is 12.